They also have a bakery inside, which is part of the same place where they serve these beautiful cupcakes. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another Old Fashioned Friday. I'm your host, Jay, aka Films by Jay, aka self-proclaimed King of the Old Fashions, aka Old Fashioned King, aka too many AKAs. Today we're at Little Beast, which is located in Reston, Virginia. I just learned that this is now called West Reston. Don't quote me on that. I think it's called West Reston. It's not in the town center, but it's literally like one street over from the town center. It's actually right across from Tiki Thai, which has one of the highest ratings in the entire state of Virginia for over a year and a half doing Old Fashioned Fridays. So I will say that there's a lot of pressure on West Reston because Tiki Thai is kind of like set the standard and set the bar, where in my opinion is kind of crushing what everyone is doing in the town center. Town center is still beautiful. It's a great place to go. They have great food. Cocktails need to kind of step up the game, in my opinion. Nonetheless, here we are, Little Beast. This is a brand new spot, which I just learned. I Googled it because I was in the area and found out that they just opened 3 weeks ago today. It's a lot of pressure on new places. So in hindsight, if I knew that before I came here, I probably would have came maybe like 2 months out, you know, because any restaurant or any business when you first open, you got to get your stuff together. You got to get everything, you know, organized. You learn as you go. You don't just like figure it out from the start. But today we have a spiced old fashioned, which is going to be on their menu. When you see this, it will be on their new menu, a spiced old fashioned. And at first when she said it, I'm assuming it was going to be spicy. It's not spicy. There's just spices in the old fashioned. Very fitting for fall. And this is probably going to be a nice fall cocktail to enjoy. I want to run down the spices real quick. I have them on my phone here. It's a very loud Porsche. It's a nice car. Good day, sir. Okay, spiced old fashioned. It's made with Knob Creek bourbon. Big fan of that. Has nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon, maple, peppercorns, and star anise. I had no clue. She said star anise is a spice. Didn't know that. Now I know it. $14. And here we go. You guys know how this works. 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. I'm going to do the ambiance first. Beautiful place. It's brand new. It's just open. I'm outside. They have like a little outdoor patio with plenty of space to come and have some cocktails or some pizza, which is the majority of their food on their menu is pizza. They also have a bakery inside, which is part of the same place where they serve these beautiful cupcakes. Red Velvet is the name of that place, but they're both the same place. So you can come here, you can get pizza, you can get cupcakes, you can get a spiced old fashioned. The fact that they have a bakery inside, brand new spot, beautiful indoor area with all new tables, nice bar area. They're gonna get a full one off that. That's without question. And then we'll jump into appearance. 2 Luxardo cherries, big fan, decent sized glass, fan, single cube, fan, not clear ice. Obviously you can see it's a little cloudy. So they don't have the clear ice yet. They are, like I said, right across from Tiki, so maybe I'll give them the clear ice plug because that's, I think, is very, very, very important. But still, decent appearance. I love Luxardo cherries. I love the single cube. So I think a fair rating on this, 2.5. You get a clear ice, you get a nice sized glass, probably 2.9 to 3. First sip, here we go. Oh yeah. Probably the most unique old fashioned I've tasted that's not like a huge spin off the old fashioned where it's like made with a different spirit. You can definitely taste a wide variety of the spices. And again, I said this is probably going to be a good fall drink. This is a good fall drink. Like crisp weather, this is something that I want. So I like. Wasn't too strong, wasn't too over the top with the spices. Yeah, and overall was fairly clean. I'm going to go 2.5 for first sip. And then overall taste, here we go. Overall, I think is important on any cocktail that has a lot of ingredients in it because you don't know how well it was mixed and prepared before you got it. So the overall is crucial because there's a lot of spices in here and a lot of different ingredients. So the variation of the taste could change. It could go from night and day from first sip to last sip. Luxardos. So This last sip that I just did was a little bit different. Actually tasted a little bit stronger. You taste a little bit more of the bourbon. And same with that one. So overall, still a great cocktail, still really good. I just think, however the concoction is being prepared, maybe it needs to be, I don't know, maybe poured into a glass with some ice, stirred a little bit, so all of the spices can kind of come together and blend a lot better together. Good cocktail, clean. Still really clean. Again, since the amount of spices, and I don't know how they mixed all of them together, I'll go down just a little bit. We'll say 2.3. So what I said, 2.5. 2.5, that's a 5, plus 2.3 is 7.3, plus full 1, 8.3. Phenomenal score. Again, any restaurant, any place that's getting an 8 or above is doing well throughout the state of Virginia. 8.3, Little Beast, Reston, Virginia, West Reston, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.